Without taking medication, I was able to recover from head and back pain. There is a vegetable that has been used for several years to treat various diseases and cure multiple diseases, since their properties are really effective in eliminating problems in the thyroid, strengthen our skin and fight digestive disorders. So today we are going to show you all the benefits that you will acquire if you include this vegetable in your diet. This food able to significantly improve our health is perfect to rejuvenate the tissues of our skin, to incorporate healthily our food, to eliminate toxins from our body and to combat stomach heaviness. But that is not all. This food can benefit our liver, as it will contribute to its proper functioning and also can dissolve the stones in our gall. On the other hand, it has the ideal properties to deflate our sinuses and eliminate sinusitis. Although you do not believe it and think that we are crazy, all this can do the radish, a vegetable that is cultivated by its edible roots, and that being an antioxidant counts on a high index of vitamin C and sulfur compounds that contribute important nutrients to our organism. Radish works as an excellent laxative, so it will help you avoid constipation and regulate your intestinal flora. Also, you can get rid of kidney stones and totally detox your body. The radish also helps you with your head and back pain. So now you know how to consume it if you want to get all its benefits. Ingredients: 4 radishes, 1 piece of ginger, 4 tablespoons honey, juice of 4 lemons, 1/2 glass of water. Preparation and method of consumption: 1. You will have to mix with the aid of a blender all the radishes together with the rest of the ingredients. Once you make a thick shake, you should store it in a container with a lid. 2. Taking a delicious spoonful of this preparation between 3 and 4 times a day for 3 weeks and accompanying the treatment with 2 liters of water daily, you can benefit from all its properties.